she doesn't know what he did. She had him in this crate. Oh, and she came back, his leg was stuck in it and he was upside down. No, no, I'm not grabbing him for nothing.
That one's pretty dangerous too. Alright, little baby, I'm putting you back.
Stay. No, stay. Sorry. Stupid stinking pen now.
You ready? Oh, I'm glad it. Okay, be ready to grab it, okay?
No, Mom, I'm supposed to grab it.
We'll find it, okay?
He hits everything that's on his leg.
You ready, honey? Here.
You can shut the door and walk. He's like he's running away from you. He's scared.
So, as you can see, I went pretty quick. There is 0 available kennels. Every kennel is full of 3 or more kittens. And there's 2 adults.
That cat hates cats. He says cats can cat people.
So, need some kitten adoptions. If you adopt before July 1st, you will get a $50 gift certificate for the spay and neuter of an adult cat or a kitten. So, come adopt. Spay and neuter your pets if you have them already.